going to be paid much more than a regular employee. That is why you are going to get so much more money, you're going to get so much more privileges than a bank teller or even a call center agent. Because ang kapalit niyan ay nakabuyang-yang kayo sa tao. Hindi kayo maniniwala, ako 25 years na sa buhay ko, na I've always been behind the camera. Hindi, siyempre, I mean, they write about my name, di ba? They know my name, pero they don't know my face. And it's only when you start appearing in front of the camera that I realize, my God, your world changes. Your world changes. People suddenly think they know you. People make judgments about you. People say awful things about you, even though they don't know you. And it hurts. But ihanda ninyo ang sarili nyo dyan. Nakakatawa pag kinakausap ko yung mga tao na, yung mga antagal-tagal lang sa business na ito, sinasabi nila, alam mo, tumahimik ka na lang kasi after 2 weeks naman makakalimutan na nila yun eh. Kahit anong ipukol nila sa'yo, laging meron at meron bagong iskandalo na lalabas na makakalimutan ka. Siyempre, pero siguro, imposible naman sa tao maging completely manhid, lalong-lalo na kapag nilalait ka sa mga bagay na, hindi ba, na wala ka namang kasalanan at higit sa lahat, kung may mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo na wala naman silang pakialam.
Opo.
Hindi ba? Pero bahagi yun ng trabaho. Now, why am I saying all this? Because it is important. It is important as performers. Remember, it is not good, it is not enough that you sing well and you have a talent. The moment na pinili nyo ang profesyon na ito, ibang-iba ito kaysa sa, for instance, nung karino ni Milani nung kumakanta ka sa church choir. Di ba? Ibang-iba ito, or ibang-iba ito, Iñaki, nung nagteteatro ka, nung bahagi ka ng trumpets. Iba ito, Bani, nung kumakanta ka, okay, sa mga iba-ibang venues sa probinsya, kasama ng banda. Bugoy, iba ito sa bukid. At kinakantahan mo si Goofy the Kalabaw. Okay? Ibang-iba ito. Si Goofy the Kalabaw. Okay? Okay. Ibang-iba ito. Bakit? Dahil commodity na kayo.
Para pong commodity.
Bagay na binibenta. Okay?
Ayaw.
Tao ba kayo? Oo, tao kayo, pero binibenta kayo. At para kayo bumenta, kailangan, katulad din, wala na kayong pinagkaiba sa kahon ng sabong panlaba. Okay? Kailangan mayroong pambenta para sa'yo. Ano ba yung katok na yun?
Doon po yun, sir. Laging may ganyan.
Parang may anay na kumakatok dyan sa labas.
May anay.
No, how do you handle that? Kasi, bakit?
Hindi po balik. Saan ba yun doon? Doon.
Sa stage ata.
Sa kwarto narinig ko yun.
Meron iba yun, nagpupukpok dito.
Ay, hindi kami ng Hansen yun gumag.
Anyway, alright. So, yun ang general perception ng tao sa inyo, hindi ba? Na, they think they know you. And the fact that when you have fans and people latch on to you, they think they own you. They think they own you. Paglabas ninyo dito, makukulture shock kayo. Dahil hindi nyo aakalain kung ilang tao ang nakakakilala na sa inyo. Pag nakausap nyo eventually, yung mga lumabas na nauna sa inyo, marirealize nyo kung paano nakakaloka. At ito ihanda ninyo. Bawat tao na tumingin sa inyo, may opinion na sa inyo. May opinion na sila sa inyo. They either love you or they hate you. They love you because they chose to love you, and they hate you because they chose to love somebody else.
Opo.
Okay? Now, how are you going to deal with it? Is that going to freak you out? No. Diyan nyo kailangan tatagan ng inyong sarili. At diyan nyo kailangan gamitin ang lakas ninyo para lalong lumaban. Naalala ko, may sinabi si Icered, who's a very, very good journalist, when he talked to you guys. I saw that episode of the show, which is very, very true. You guys have changed your lives whether you like it or not. You cannot go back and be the same people that you were when you got in, because you are not anymore. Hindi lamang gumanda at dumaling ang inyong pagkanta, iniba nyo na rin ang ikot ng inyong mundo.